Ranking funniest if moments.
If people from the US smile,
Yeah, boy.
Where you going with this?
then does that mean that people in Europe skilometer?
Oh my god.
If Lady Gaga exists, then what happened to Sir Google?
Bruh.
If women
Women. Oh god. Again? We're doing this again? Okay, let's go.
go through menstruation,
Oh, this is different. This is very different.
then why don't men go through menstruation?
I will have you assassinated.
If the symbol for iron on the periodic table is Fe,
Okay.
and a man is also considered to be a male,
Okay.
then doesn't that mean that Iron Man can also be considered female?
Bruh.
A soup is anything that's made up of vegetables, water, and salt. Then doesn't that make the ocean a soup?